Hey, I'm Cantigan, welcome back. Look at this beauty. This has just landed on our website. I love it. This incredible zebra print. It is just stunning. So it is by Burberry. It's a Burberry Barrow. So it's a laptop bag or a briefcase or a crossbody, however you want to use it. The point is, this is just stunning. Okay, so we've got double top handles, leather top handles, and then we've got a long strap, which is adjustable. It's that lovely thick canvas, so comfortable on your shoulder, and it is also removable, so you could just use it as a case. We've got Burberry, is that the right way up, on both of these attaches. I ought to put it on in a way that makes it easy for me to show you and make it easier for myself. I don't learn, do I? Okay, I'll show you the bag. Let's just come in and show you that, and while we're doing the outside, let's show you the base as well. So it's a double zip pull. Okay, you've got two. Let's open up and show you inside. It's a good, strong, sturdy zip, but it's not too bad over the corners. You saw I just opened it then, so it's fine tuned on the corners. Inside, beautiful black lining. One zipped pocket. This is a really good size pocket, and that has got the Burberry badge on it, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to show you that. And then two flat pockets on the other side as well. This won't focus, I'm sure, but you've got Burberry on the inside of the zip pull there as well. Let's show you, let's see what it comes with. So we've got Burberry dust bag. We've also got the product tag, originally $2,995, and then got down the sale. And then we've got a quality control card and the cute little envelope with the care documents inside as well. So I'm going to just come and hold it so you get an idea of the size. The exact measurements are on the website. This is just to give you an idea. You see how cool it looks. I love the zebra with the pink. Gorgeous, gorgeous bag. Okay, so let's put this on as a crossbody. And as I said, it's adjustable, so you could have this sort of higher or lower depending on how long you wanted it to be. And as I said, it is a laptop bag, so you have got some sort of light padding to keep your laptop in there if you wanted to do so. It is just a beautiful, beautiful stunning bag. So the condition of the bag is excellent throughout. Excellent exterior, excellent interior, excellent hardware. It is a beautiful, beautiful bag in fabulous condition. So before you go and have a look at this on the website, remember to like the video and hit the bell so that you get a chance to see what tomorrow's bag that's coming in is. And then when you've done that, in the comments below there's a link to the website. You can go to that website, go to that link, take you straight to this on the website, and then whilst you're there you can have a look at all of our other pre-owned luxury bags, purses, wallets, everything that you can see around me is all on the website, so you can go and have a look at those. And as I said, we have stuff coming in every day. So we have another bag landing on the website tomorrow. We want to do the video description for you here on YouTube so you can see exactly what it is, and we'll include the link directly to it in the video underneath. So if bags are your thing, then you really do want to subscribe to this channel. One final thing, if you are interested in a discount code, we do give you a discount code for 5% off your first purchase with us when you sign up for the newsletter. You sign up on the website, so go to my comments, hit the link, go to the website, take about 20 seconds, you scroll to the bottom of any page, there's a box, pop your email address in, and that will take you through, that sends you your discount code, and the code will come through immediately. So if after a couple of minutes it hasn't come, check the spam folder in case it's gone in there, but that's your code to get your discount off your first purchase, so worth doing that. And have a wonderful rest of the day, and we will see you with tomorrow's gorgeous piece of arm candy.